Okay, my dear students, let us go to another video that is F block elements. In the F block elements, we have two series, that is 4F series that's called lanthanides and 5F series that is called actinides. Okay, lanthanides because 4F series begins after lanthanum. This begins after actinium. The general electronic configuration of 4F series elements is n-2 F1 to 14 n-1 D0 to 1 ns2, where n is number of period or principal quantum number. For 4F series, n is equal to 6. That is 4F 1 to 14, 5D, 0 to 1, 6s. 2. For 5F series, n is equal to 7. That is 5F 1 to 14, 6D, 0 to 1, 7s2. Students, please listen, please carefully watch this configuration. This is very, very important. That is 5D 0 to 1, then 4F. That is very, very important. Anyway, let us discuss 4F series in detail. Series in detail. Okay, let us discuss 4F series in detail. That is 4F series. Let us be familiar the elements first. The element starts from lanthanum La. From here onwards it begins 14 elements. Cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, ermium, tamarium, ytterbium, lutetium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You have to by heart this simple. Very, very important. Siriyathinte, that is Sirium, Predam, PR, Nudai, ND, Prime Ministerium, PM, State Minister. Prime Minister is more important, therefore first State Ministry. Idichu, Odichu, that is EU. So, okay. Group discussion, GD, TBL, Divasavum, that is DY, honorable, all HOER, honorable, transport minister, all are ministers, prime minister, state minister, transport minister യാക്കോബ് ലൂക്കോസ് ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്യും. സിരിയത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രേതം നൂഡായി ND നൂഡായി 1 2 3 4 PM-നെയും SM-നെയും ഇടിച്ചോടിച്ചു. EU ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഡിസ്കഷൻ TB-യിൽ ദിവസവും ഹോണറബിൾ ട്രാൻസ്പോർട്ട് മിനിസ്റ്റർ യാക്കോബ് ലൂക്കോസ്. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഈസ് മൈ ട്രിക്ക്. You can develop your own trick. Anyhow, you by heart these elements. Okay, by heart the element. Now let us compare their electronic configuration, ionization energy, oxidation state, etc., etc. I just give you element, configuration, oxidation number, ionization energy. Ideas. Lanthanum does not belong this. Anyway, let us. Lanthanum is 5D1 4F0 5D1 6S2. Oxidation number +3. Then cerium, very careful. 4F1 5D1 6S2. 4F1. That is, after 5D1, subsequent electron goes to 4F. Very careful about it. 5D1, lanthanum is a D block element. 5D1, then not 5D2, 4F1. Careful. 5D1, lanthanum 5D1, cerium not 5D2 but 4F1. This is a magic. Now, here onwards F block starts. Then, okay, PR 4F 5D 6S2. Now you see what is the magic. 5 2 4 2 5. No, this is not. It becomes 0 3. Why 3? Because D has shifted to 4F from presodium onwards. Now no idiom. 4F 5D 6S2 0 4. PM 4F 5D 6S2 0 5. SM 4F 5D 6S2 0 6. Europium 4F 5D 6S2 here 1 7. Here 7 0. Really sorry, 7 0. 7 0. Now this is europium. What is half filled? Yes. Now GD 4F 5D 6S2. What is you are expecting? 8 0. No. It is also 7 1. You know why? To maintain half fill. Now TB group discussion TB 4F 5D 6S2 8 1. No, this is also shifted to here 9. Let me write here for our convenience. dy 4F 5D 6S2. This is 0 0 10. 4F 5D 6S2 0 11. ER 4F 12 5D 6S2 Honorable Transport Minister. 4F 5D 6S2 013 Jacob YB Ytterbium. 4F 14 5D 06S2. Now Lu lutetium 4F 5D 6S2 114. These two have fulfilled configuration. Last two have fulfilled configurations. Middle two has half filled. Now let us discuss the oxidation number. Here it shows +3 and +4. Very careful. +3 and +4. Careful about it. Here +3, +3, +3, +3. This half filled. What I write in half filled here, my dear students. Here +2, +3. Here +3, +3, +3, +3, +3, +3, +2, +3, +3. Oxidation. The common and stable oxidation state is +3. Why +3? You know, actually their electronic configuration is N-2 F1 to 14, N-1 D 0 to 1 NS2. +3, these two electrons are lost and this electron also lost. Actually, these D are not vacant. 5D are not vacant. There was an electron. For time being, that electron shifted to 4F. But actual sense, that electron belongs to 5D. Therefore, during the oxidation, these 6s2 electrons, 2 electrons from 6s and that D electron are removed, even though they are in neutral state with 4F. That is why lanthanides have most common oxidation state and stable oxidation state is +3. Really, F electrons do not take part in the bond formation in oxidation. The third electron for the oxidation is actually belongs to D orbitals. For time being, they are shifted into 4F except in half-filled and full-filled cases and first cases. Okay, in the case of a cerium, it shows +4 because if 4F also, there is only one electron in the 4F. If that has been removed, it would have better stability. Therefore, cerium only shows +4. +4 is not stable, you know. It is less stable, but it can show. Now, I will tell you some points. In the case of europium, that's an IIT JAM questions. In the case of a europium, please mark europium. And please mark ytterbium. They have a +2 oxidation state. The third ionization, that is from +2 to +3, from +2 to +3, that happened from third ionization energy is more higher. In the case of europium and ytterbium, third ionization energy is comparatively higher because of half-filled and full-filled configuration at +2 oxidation state. Fine. In the +2 oxidation state, they have europium and ytterbium has half-filled and full-filled configurations respectively. Therefore, their third ionization energy is little bit higher. That's a very, very important point in the case of ionization energy. Therefore, in terms of oxidation state, we have a +2, +3 and +4 oxidation state. when we talk about the oxidation state, we have plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4. Plus 4. This is the stable common. Europium and ytterbium shows plus 2. Cerium shows plus 4. These two shows. This shows. That doesn't mean that stable. Others do not show. Careful. Others do not show. This shows. Therefore, in literally speaking, europium plus 2, ytterbium plus 2 are reducing agents. Because they can transfer to europium 3 plus or ytterbium 3 plus. This is oxidizing agent because it can transfer to cerium plus 3. Okay, cerium is used in the redox titration, cerium salt used in the redox titration because it can shift from plus 3 to plus 2. Okay, I hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you for watching.